Alright, what's up everybody? This is Mac again. We're going to go over the trades from Tuesday, February 4th using the bag indicator. Alright, so my kill zone starts here at 9. We come in neutral, which is good. We want to come in neutral. This is the open candle, kind of bearish. Next candle, very strong, very bullish. Trend looks to be up. Third candle of the day, we're up, we're strong, we're above this line, we're fanning out the EMAs. This gives us our buy signal. So let's zoom in. Entered right here, 21,507.50, right here where this candle opens. Now we had some drawdown. It kind of came close to a stop out. This was nearly a washout candle. It was more than 30 points. I don't like candles more than 30 points in the body. So could have waited and entered back here at this skyline, would have been a little bit better. But I entered on the close, like my strategy says. This candle was bearish. We closed back into drawdown. Not great. This candle, this is where things got interesting. So this candle shoots up. We get almost to our profit. We get like almost pretty much 40 points up. So here I go to break even like normal. Now you can't see it on this candle, but this candle came all the way back and stopped me break even before closing back into profit and then shooting off, going way up above. So this trade netted me nothing. It was a break even trade. There's a little bit of FOMO because I did miss out on a good run up, but my strategy is my strategy and my tactics are the same. I'm not changing those because I could not live with this trade if I got this close to profit and they came all the way back and took a loss. That's where dynamic risk reward comes in. When you come up here, you've got 40 points of profit. You're not going to risk 70 points to make 5 points. Even being up here and risking 40 points to make 5 points is not great. But I'm definitely not going to take a loss once I've gotten this far into profit. Again, that's just what my strategy is. Others might be different. It's a little bit risky to try to make this work. I've back tested, and usually most of the ones that come back break even do eventually become a win instead of a loss, but I don't want to take that risk with my account. So we come up, we break above the fire line here, we're still positive. Now we start to chop a little bit. Now, the reason I have another entry here, my strategy is to play off of typically the 21, or this is the 13. Now, this candle looks like it touched the 13, but it didn't quite until the 13 got pulled up a little bit higher. It was actually down here. So that technically did not meet the criteria. This one did touch the 13 and closed. But I didn't feel strongly about this candle because it was not bullish enough for me. So this candle comes up, closes back above the 8. This is where I think, okay, our trend's going to keep going. So I get into this play. We're chopping. We're kind of down in drawdown. Now we come neutral. This candle's neutral, and the squeeze is actually on the downside. So this was not good, really, for what my goal was. This was a pretty good candle coming up, and then we hit our break-even point. This candle reverses back, engulfs this one, and we come back down. So this was also a break-even trade here. So here in the whole day, out of 2 trades, I got 2 break-evens. So I didn't make any money, and I also didn't lose any money. So that's the bright side. That's the way I look at it. I always say a $0 day is better than a red day. Yeah, always, every time. So here my kill zone cuts off. This was a buy signal, but it was nothing. It just chopped. It would have eventually been a loss. And then we go into drawdown after the close, or sell after the close. So ultimately this was a $0 day, but got experience, followed my plan. I didn't lose anything. I know others in high strike took this long, had a bigger stop, or didn't go to break even. They had a good win. If that's your strategy, good for them. My strategy is once I hit 1-to-1, I go to break even. So I took 2 break even trades today. There were no other signals throughout my kill zone other than this one. So this was a very, very good trend day. If you're one of those home run type traders. Like if you took this candle long and just held it all the way, it would have been a good trade. But so that's it for today. I'm on to Wednesday the 5th. Let's see what happens then.